$5 you got in there and hit Tyler in the back of the head.
God.
Daisy, you have 11.
I want to shoot somebody. This looks like fun.
If you have a mask, go get your gun.
Hey, I can see you running through there. You better quit.
You're getting... Get Nathan Hensley. Oh my God, you tore him up.
Gotta keep him off. Nathan, brand new. Auto.
Use auto, my God.
Hey, I don't have a gun. Don't shoot me. I have a stick.
You're standing here supervising. What are you doing? Get him.
Oh shit.
Who just shot me? Ow, Tyler! My God! I'm videotaping, stupid!
I'm supervising. I see you in them bushes. Lucky I don't have a gun.
Tear towel. Get him, get him. Gun sticking out. Oh, got that. I got that up. Returning fire.
I want to be
Ow! Who in the heck is shooting at me? Stupid, I'm videotaping.
Hey!
Drag out!
Go, 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 go. Dude, I got you covered. Go, go.
I'm good.
Ooh.
Lie down, Clifford. I'll kick your ass, though. Remember here, cases. Hey, I'm Kevin Wiley. Stay in school. Say no to drugs.
What about pot?
It's okay. Hey,
Okay.
I'm Cole Hallfield.
I'm Tyler Clark, and I say, don't do crack, don't do drugs, get your ass down. Who are you shooting at?
Nathan Brown.
You need ammo? Yeah. Hold on, I'll come to you in a second.
Nathan, where are you? Here. You need ammo? Yeah. Right now.
Go, 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 go.
Come down and start videotaping me.
That is Hunter Price.
Broken FAL boy.
He has some kind of FAL. It sucks and it broke the first day he had it.
So there I'm using it.
Go, go! Don't shoot me! Ow! God! Who in the heck shot me? Ow, my leg! Ow! Tyler, my God! I'm standing right here, blindy! Ow! Oh my God. on, switch teams.
How many more videos do you have? How many times you got it?
What?
Kevin!
Come on, Kevin.
Let's go.
Kevin, come on. See? Yeah, I am off to the side, and here Tyler Clark's popping me freaking every time. Okay, let me take it off for you.
Take it out.
Chase is all the way over there, and here I'm walking down through there, and somebody shot me in the head. I mean, look.
Yeah,
There's five. Kevin, get up here.
Hey, can he use...
Come on, Kevin.
Hey, Casey, can you use a sniper?